Hello and welcome to a new video using PostHog-LLM. Today I will show how to use filters to identify certain patterns in text, such as searching for a simple string keywords or looking for a more complex pattern. This is useful to analyze user interactions, to identify users who exhibit specific behavior or makes a specific request. For this demo, I will use the Wildchat 1 million conversational dataset as a quick example. I will navigate to the product analytics page here in the Trends tab, and I will start with something very simple. For example, I will look up for the word, the string Christmas. I want to see the trend for the Christmas word, so I will start with something very simple. So the first thing I have to do is to select the LLM task event. And this event represents a dialogue between the user and the chatbot model. So there's one user input and one model output for each event, with properties as well. Each event has its own properties. Now, for this LLM task event, the property that contains the user dialogue, the user input, is the LLM input property. So I will select here in the filters, I'll look up for the LLM input property. And here I will select, instead of equals, contains the Christmas words. And also here in the date range, I will change this from April 23 to April 24, because the Wildchat conversational dataset only contains data between this period. So it's calculating, not contains, I meant contains. And here I can see that December is the most frequent. I guess no surprises here. I will try a different word, for example, Valentine's. Let's see, Valentine's. It happens in February, so here I see a spike in February of 24, and Valentine's is in 24. I can go inside February and see some dialogues for this filter. So here I have all the users that match the filter in February. And if I go inside one of these users, here I have the LLM event tabs that contains all conversations for the given filter. And here's one example that contains the user input Valentine's string. Let's see another one. This one, why not? Generate a description. Where is the Valentine's Day? Valentine's keyword. Okay, here it is. And this is just one interaction. Okay. Now, I can also use regex expressions to find more specific patterns in these dialogues. For instance, let's say I want to find conversations where users are asking to write an email, rewrite it, improve it, reply. I can start with a very simple regex. For example, here I will change this from contains to matches regex, and I will write a very simple expression, write and email, for example. So I'm looking for the string that contains write and mail. So mail comes after the write, and there's very few matches for such a large data set. Now, this is a very simple regex. It doesn't account for variations in phrasing. It won't find sentences. For example, I have one here. I need to write this email for a client. It won't find this pattern given this regex, because the word this is between the term rewrite and mail word. So to find more conversations where users ask to reply, rewrite, correct them, I need to use a more complex expression, such as this one. I will paste it here. I have it in my clipboard. This expression captures a broader range of user requests. It looks for various actions, verbs like respond, draft, check, reply, etc. And allows me to find different ways users may phrase their email requests. And this part right here lets me to search up to 4 words between the action verb and the specific term like email, letter, or mail. So I'll grab this and paste it here, and I should have way more conversations here, and I do. So here I can see conversations that should be related to rewrite emails or correcting them or replies. So I will open up in June where I have more hits. Let's see, for example, for this user, correct this sentence. That's not a match. Okay, here it is. Reply to this email and apologize. Okay, that's one. Let's see another user, for example. Make a presentation. No. Okay, it's a longer conversation. Let's see. Reply to this email and agree to have a meeting. Okay, that's another conversation where a user asks to reply to a mail. I also have the option to save all of these users as a cohort, so I can save them, for example, as mail request users, and then you can grab this cohort I just created, and you can make a breakdown, for example, by topic, and see what topics are being discussed in the mails, for instance. And that's how you use filters to search for specific patterns in conversational data. Like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time. Bye.